What's up, everyone? Marshall here that films the DeQueen Eastern Railroad on the hot rails and Kamichi Railroad. Alright, here comes Richard and Michael. They're heading westbound. They're heading to Valiant, Oklahoma. So, hope y'all ready for this. Live action. Let's get started. Alright, I'm putting my gloves on. And right now, we are looking at 1050. Alright, let's go catch them. Let's go to Golden Dot. Alright, everyone. Give me a few minutes. And alright, we're here in Golden. This is, I never filmed here in a long time. But, if you hear quietly, there's two coyote packs. There's one behind me, and one's about a couple of miles somewhere behind these couple of houses. And they are very short tonight. And a full moon. Okay, here comes the boys. The crossing, they got her activated, the crossing down yonder. So, we're gonna see the girls a couple of times, and then we're gonna move on to Valiant and catch them again, but I'll do that in the next video. This road's been graded. I don't know if it's been graded by today or yesterday, but this road's been graded. You can tell it's getting in the 30s. They're coming through here at 11:16. There goes DeQueen Eastern. Alright, they just came through Golden. They got a private crossing or something going on down here. And then I got to get out of the back of this truck. And then I'm about to end this retro, so I'm going to have to get on the side of my truck because I got poles and stuff in the back of my truck. If not, I can probably try to straddle my truck. And I'm on the tailgate. Oh! Whew. Alright. Alright. I'm about to make another video of this, but I'm gonna make this a little bit sweet for the moment. I'm sorry for it looking different. I don't know if it might be the temperature. But if you like this, like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you already haven't to do so, press the notification bell below. I am in Golden. I'm about to head to Valiant and catch them there and take a lunch break. And then wait till they leave out again. And then the chase will be on again. So I don't know if they stop up at Greg's or it might be a Saturday, not a Saturday, but a Friday thing. So I don't know. But if you hear, there's some coyotes back here behind me, and there was some back towards the east of me behind those houses, somewhere off in that direction. So I'm in my old spot. I don't know why I didn't get good views on it, but it is what it is. But I'm back here again in Golden, Oklahoma. So it's been a while since I've been here, and train horn ain't hurting no one, and it's technically they have a right to blow up because there's a lot of things out here in the middle of nowhere. So yeah. So it actually tells people that Marshall's back in town. So they're approaching Glover River Bridge, and then they're going to be going through